Hello students, today our topic is the earliest cities. It is the topic of class 6th lesson 4. As you know students that after becoming the food producer, men start to leading a settled life, and after that he developed cities. Today we are going to be read about the main characteristics of the city that was founded in India. It was the oldest civilization that was discovered in India, and it was discovered around 150 years ago by the archaeologists in India. So the features are here. Firstly, we will read about the city layout, how the city of the Harappa civilization was layout. Harappa city was divided into two parts. In the western part of that town is known as Citadel, and the eastern part known as the lower town. So it was divided into the two parts. The western part, that is the Citadel, was higher than the eastern part, lower town. And the buildings of this town was made of baked bricks. This was the main feature of the city planning of Harappa. And the bricks were settled in interlocking pattern. There were the great baths that can be found in Mohenjo-daro, that was the another center of this civilization, and it was also lined up with the baked bricks. It was coated with the plaster in order to show the water. So these were the features of the great bath that had been founded in Mohenjo-daro. Kalibanga and Lothal are the places where fire altars had been discovered. Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Lothal were also famous for the storing of the grain. These are known as the storehouse of that civilization. There were the great storehouse have been found. Here the stores of these cities are two or the one or the two storied, and the buildings are around the courtyard. Each area had bathing area, and that was well connected with the wells and drains in order to maintain the water supply properly. The drains around the streets were covered. Smaller drains drops in the bigger drains, and the drains had the inspection hole in order to maintain the proper checking of the drains. Life in the city. How the people were leading their life in the city. There was a proper planning of the construction of the buildings. Always people use gold, silver and beads for their ornaments. Scribes were there also. People always wrote in pictography. They also prepared seals. There were the craft persons who always made the toys and pots. Other craft persons were very efficient in stone weights. Wheels were made of red stones. Copper and bronze were the metals that were used for the tools or the weapons. Gold or silver were used by the people of the Harappa for their ornaments. They used seals, and the seals were made of stone and leather. The evidences have been found in the Mehergarh, the raw material that was used by the people of the Harappa. Mostly the raw material was obtained from the agriculture, and that was converted into the finished goods that were used by the people. Copper was obtained as a raw material from the Rajasthan, and it was also imported from the abroad like the Oman. Gold was obtained from the Karnataka. The food habits of the people of Harappan civilization. Farmers or the herders were always supply the food items. Wheat, barley, peas, rice, mustard, all the things they were grown. They use they use plow in the agriculture, and it is used for digging the earth, and this was made of the wood. The people of the Harappa used to rear the animals like sheep, goat, buffalo, and they also used them in the agriculture. They used to settle the areas in the areas where water is available and pastures for their animals also available. The towns that are found in Gujarat are Dholvira, Lothal, Gulf of Khambat. All these are found in India. Now, the decline of the civilization. What was the cause that the civilization declined? Different historians had different ideas related to the decline of this civilization. Some are given the idea that the river Indus was dried up and or it changed its course. That's why the people changed their settlement. Some are given the ideas that due to the deforestation, this civilization was declined. Flood was also the reason. Due to the flood, it was declined. Or some of the historians gave their ideas that people have moved to the new settlements. In map of India, you can find out these are the places where this civilization was established. Harappa, this is the Harappa, Kalibanga, Mohenjo-daro, Chahundaro, Dholavira, Surkotra, Lothal, all these are the places where this civilization was developed. Thank you.